discovered that the major road, the leasing chemical road, as I said, have a problem of drainage, and as a result of that, it has already spoiled the old road. So, in the arrangement of the PPP, it should come within the private organization like all of our polytechnic, working directly with the government, Ogun State government, to work together and fix this place so that it will be in a better state. Even if it's going to be on an arrangement that will be a personal between the school and the government. So there are going to be an MOU on that. That is a memorandum of understanding between the school and the government, so that it will not affect the two sides.